Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you guys a little headlight protection film I got for the CFMOTO 450 MT, which is good to check against some stone chips or some minor scratching and so over time. And this little kit I got from AliExpress. I chose to have the it comes in a little kit like this. So you get the film right there. You've got the, I'm assuming it's the little cleaning wipe. You've got some instructions or some accessories that you can buy from the store as well. I'll leave a link in the description below. So yeah, this is the little spray you use to spray before you apply the film, and this is to remove all the air bubbles from behind the film after you've applied it, just so it can stick to the glass of the headlight itself, so the plastic. And this is the little option I chose. This is the film right there. So you've got one for your daytime running lamp. I don't know if you can see clearly, but there's for the one headlight there, and that's for the other one there, and there's a long one for the daytime running light. I chose to have the tinted one. I'm not sure it's legal, I doubt it is, but you are welcome to get the clear one. Just protect your headlight from any dents and scratches. Alright, let's get right into it. like the content, give it a thumbs up and a subscribe, and I have some new stuff on the next episode. So yeah, please like and subscribe, and looking forward to the next one. Bye.